All right, hello. In this short video, I'm going to show you two different ways to translate a Google form. So the first way is I'm logged into my Chrome browser, I'm on an exit ticket, and I want to go ahead and turn this exit ticket into another language. I want to translate it from English into another language. So what I can do here, and there's no perfect way to do this, but this is one of the two solutions that I found for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click up here, this eyeball up here on the top right, and that's going to let me view the form. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that eyeball, and then you'll see it opens up a new tab, and here we are viewing that new tab, and you'll see that it's in English, and it's actually, I can go ahead and put in the answer choices or put in answers into these open-ended questions. Well, so what happens here though is I can actually go off to the side here, and as long as I'm on this web page, I can right click with two fingers on my MacBook, and then I can see down here it's going to be translate to English. So I'm going to go ahead and click translate to English, and this little pop-up will pop up. Well, it's already in English, so what I want to do is I want to change that. So I'm going to come up here to this little pop-up, and there's three little vertical ellipses on there, and I'm going to click those vertical ellipses, and I'm going to choose another language. So I'm going to click on that, and then this is going to pop up, and so rather than English, I'm going to go ahead and in this instance change this to Spanish, and then I'm going to click translate, and then I'm going to come back out, and you'll notice that the questions have all turned into Spanish, including what Google puts in here automatically, which is really nice. Well, the issue here is that this is not going to, even though I can click in these answer choices and actually change them or answer them and then submit, and it'll go to that form and give me those answers. What's going to happen here is if I try to give this out to anybody in Spanish, and for example, if I go up here and copy this link and go to another tab and open it up, you're going to see that it goes back to English. So it's only translated for me right now. So the workaround for this would be to go to the actual form that you're working on and click edit it, and then come over here to the three vertical ellipses over here, and there's some more vertical ellipses for us to click on. So I'm going to click on those, and I'm going to make a copy of this. And then you can call it, whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Spanish version. And then you can choose to share it with the same people or not. And then I'm going to click OK. Now, once I have that new Spanish exit ticket, I can come back to my original one, and I can start copying and pasting the Spanish back over here into the Spanish version one. So while it's not a perfect solution, it is a solution for this. You will have two separate forms, one in English and one in Spanish, but that's actually the quickest way that I found to do this. The other way would be to go to the Chrome Web Store, and once I get there, I'm going to just do a Google search for it. I'm going to click on Chrome Web Store. I'm going to type in Google Translate, and then I'm going to click over here on the left side. I'm just going to try to make this a little bit easier for me. I'm going to click Extensions, and then I'm going to scroll down and find Google Translate. I'm going to click on it, and I have this Add to Chrome button. So I'm going to click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and now it's been added up here. If you look up at the top right of my screen, you'll see the little extension up here next to the address, URL address, or Google search, Omnibox, whatever you want to call it. So that's another solution. You'll notice it disappeared actually. So what I need to do is I need to come over to this puzzle piece, and I need to click on it. I need to find Google Translate, and I need to click this little pen, and now it's pinned. And just so you know, if I click on, here we go again, three vertical ellipses, if I click on those, I can actually come down here, unpin it, and I can also remove it from Chrome. So how I would use this is I would go to the English exit ticket. And again, I'm going to have to be viewing it. So I'm going to click preview. That's kind of the key here. Click preview. And then I go up here to my extensions up here on the right side of my Chrome browser. And I click that Google Translate. And you'll notice it says translate this page right here. So I'm going to press on that. And then you'll see it's translated to English. Well, again, we want this to be in another language. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Spanish. And here we are. And now you'll notice it's turned into Spanish. So it's half a dozen in one and 6 in the other. Either way you do it, you're going to need to make a copy of the form and then go ahead and take the translation and copy and paste it in there. So that's 2 different ways that you can translate a Google form, or actually any web page out there. And so I hope you got something out of this, and y'all have a great day. Bye, guys.